figure out what I'm gonna put up on that shelf. Let's go back here. We're gonna see what we're gonna put up on that shelf. As you can see, race car tires. I got the Corvette doors under there, the Corvette radiator, seats, motor to be built for the race car engine, and then I got the engine that's in the car, and a bunch of damn wood in my way. There's the Corvette engine. Seeing how all that goes. Bought a bolt bin. I pre-limbed this. I'm gonna do a label maker and make it look right. That green tape's ghetto. Yeah. Let's see. What are we gonna do over here? What do we want to put up there? Seat. The seat is not gonna fit. The racing seat is not gonna fit up there. Got race car parts right there. I know what I wanted up there. I want my Corvette foot locker right there. My wiring harness and all that crazy crap. I think I'm gonna put it up there. So y'all bear with me for a minute. Stare at the wall. Only way to get the shop to where we can do something with it. Probably have to empty most of this so that I can get it up there. Put that up against there. This out just a hair. Don't fall off my ass. Don't want to fall too bad anyway. If you're wondering, these are lights that are going to go onto my trailer on the tire rack and lean out. Give us light out through our pit box. Not sure what that is. Center console to the Corvette. I'm completely eliminating it. I'm going to use this shape and make a new one, but it's just going to have my vents and then a flat piece, and I'm gonna mount an entire radio in there. I have a wireless antenna system, and I have a new gauge system. I'm just going analog to keep it simple instead of all this digital crap that always goes bad for a Corvette. Well, for Chevrolet in general. I'd much rather have a Ford. Some of this heavier shit out here. My shoulder isn't all the way recovered from surgery. I'm not trying to re-injure it right now. Could have used that to make a tent. Guess I did it all good. See if I can get down there. Exactly what I thought was going to fall out and fell out. I don't think I need Romex wire in there. Look at that bad boy. Yes, sir. Put these speakers back in there. Console, so we're keeping it just to make a pattern off of it. My wire looms, make underneath my hood look better. My new wiring harness. A few other miscellaneous parts there. That air hose that's up there that y'all might have saw right there is for the race car trailer. Let's put this up here. That makes a big difference over where that came from. It's Kathy's. She wants me to re-strengthen it. We'll just set it right there for now. Yeah. That works. That works. That's much better. Already up off the ground. I could probably put the radiator up there here in a little while. Not sure what I'm going to do with that race seat. Well, the race seat's going to go to the trailer. I know that for sure. My enclosed trailer has become a storage building instead of a trailer. But it needs a lot of work. On the outside, I need new front end sheet metal on it, and so we will